Hello, everyone. I'm Cap. Hello, BD, based in Taiwan. So it's my pleasure today to introduce you the Hailo-8, a top performance edge AI processors empower your AI application at the edge. Today, my speech is going to be divided into three parts. So firstly, I will introduce you and walk you through the Hailo company background and where our focus market was. And secondly, I will share the features of the Hailo-8 products and also show you the performance benchmark against some of the competitors that you can find in the market. And the last is the software suites and the successful stories that I'll be sharing. So let's get started. So first slide is Hailo in numbers. So basically, I will give you a few numbers to help you understand and to recognize Hailo. So Hailo was founded in 2017. We have 5 times of YoY revenue growth from 2021 to 2022. The Hailo headquarters is based in Israel, Tel Aviv, but we also have sales offices across the world to support the technical and the sales related job. So for example, we have an office based in Taiwan, China, Korea, Japan, Europe, and North America. So basically, we are coverage the global business. Hailo has accumulatedly raised 224 million of funding, and mainly it's from the 2 tier 1 companies. So first is the NEC, which is the tier 1 company in surveillance markets. And second is ABB, which is the tier 1 company within the automations market segment. So in another word, you can also say or consider that Hailo solution and technology is popularly used in these 2 market segments. The last number is about our employees. Hailo has more than 200 employees globally, and most important thing of all, we have 70% of software R&D. Since we are talking about AI, and AI is all related to software, so 70% of the AI software R&D actually allows Hailo to support the latest AI models in the soonest time. For example, like large language model, transformers or YOLO v7, YOLO v8 are already supported by Hailo team. So this is kind of the most important benefits when you select Hailo as your solutions. Now we have a basic understanding about Hailo company. We talk about who do we work and who is currently adopting Hailos. So Hailo, we actually partner and working with some of the globally trusted brand in different market segments. For example, in PC industry, you can see that we are partnering with Advantech and Dell. So basically, they have their system or solutions adopting the Hailo-8 processor to make an AI PC. For the surveillance market segment, you can see that we're working with the BNR, Truant, and Konica to enable their AI application and system in their portfolios. So these well-known brands are actually a improvement for the Hailo-8 maturity, since our product and solutions are already commonly used in those globally trusted brands. And after showing the improvements of the maturity, the Hailo-8 processor maturity, that's find out where we can actually see Hailo-8 operating a system and which markets does Hailo focus on. So we actually focus on 4 major market segments. The first is security. Then in the security markets, you can find applications including like the intelligent transportation systems, the perimeter protections, and of course, including the asset control. And the second market segment is automotive. So in this segment, Hailo actually focus also on the before market rather than only focus on the aftermarkets. So we are mainly developing or working on the level 2 plus above ADAS applications, autonomous driving vehicles, and in-cabin monitoring solutions. And the third market segment that we focus on is industrial automation. So this is basically the AMR, AI, AOI, or robotic related applications that you can easily find in a factory. And the last markets that we focus on is actually retail and medical. So we already have many successful cases like in point of sales and the supply chain management in retail segment. And in the medical segment, we also have several good projects within ultrasound application and endoscope. So those are the market segment where we believe the AI is booming, and also the place that you can easily find Halo processor operating those applications. Now we're going to our second section, which is the introductions of our product, the Hailo-8 processor. So here I'm going to show you some of the highlights about our AI processor. So first of all, our Hailo-8 processor is actually powerful and efficient. We actually provide 13 to 208 TOPS performance. So based on your project requirement, you can select a suitable computing power processor to adopt within your applications. And second, features about our processor is we don't have the external DRAM. So you can consider that our size is relatively smaller than the other chips. Third is the lower power consumption. So the 26 TOPS AI computing power chips, the typical power consumption is only 2.5 watts, which is also much more lower than other AI NPU that you can find in the market. At the right hand side, you can see some of the versatile. The most important thing is about the software. Halo will support more than hundreds of popular use software that you can find on the market. So here in this section, you can find a rich model zoo where Halo already compiled those models and list them in our model zoo. So you can easily compile those models and to run those models to evaluate and understand if the Hailo-8 performance match with your expectation. And the second part of the versatile is actually the industrial and automotive grade support. So Hailo-8 chips, we actually support industrial grade and automotive grades. Most important thing of all, we also have the longevity supports. So for the chips, the processor, the longevity support is about 10 years. And for the module, we actually offer 7 years of the longevity support. So this is a very key features to help you enter into several specific market which require longevity supports. For example, like rolling stock and medical market segment, they all require the longevity supports for the processors. Now let's take a look at, now we understand what's the feature and the highlight about our processor. Let's take a look at the product portfolio. So Hailo-8, we offer 13 to 208 TOPS performance in three different kinds of the SKUs. So first SKUs is actually the entry-level AI accelerator, H8L. It offers 13 TOPS of AI performance. And in the meantime, we also support the M.2 BM key and AE key module for a quicker integration to your systems. In the middle is the Hailo-8 AI processor, which is 26 TOPS of AI computing power. We also support the M.2 modules in M key, BM key, and AE key. And in this SKUs, we also support the mini PCIe form factor. However, please note that the mini PCIe only supports 13 TOPS due to the voltage limitations of the mini PCIe form factor spec. In the last SKUs, we have the Hailo-8 Century high performance PCIe card, where you can find 52 to 208 TOPS performance. In this product segment, you can see very interesting features about Halo products. That is, the Halo processor performance can work linearly when you when you add the volume of the Halo processors. So for example, for one Hailo-8, you can get the 26 top AI performance, and for two Hailo-8, you will get 52. So based on your project's requirements, you can always select suitable and in a reasonable price. And now we have the understanding about the product portfolio. Let's take a look at the Hailo-8 competitive analysis and to find out how do we position the three SKUs of the product into the market and against other competitors. So first comparison is about the entry-level AI accelerator comparisons. So we actually are comparing the Hailo-8 with the Google HGPU and Intel Myra X in three different angles. So first is about the performance. So all the three modules running on the same model, ResNet 50 V1. We can easily find that the Hailo performance is about 453 FPS, where HGPU is only 24 FPS and Myra X is only 29. So in another word, Hailo-8 performance is actually 18.5 better than the TPU and 15.7 better than the Myra X. So to take this FPS number into account, that's divided into the costs, you can easily find that the Hailo cost efficiency is actually 7 times better than the HTPU and 8.5 better than the Intel Myra X. And after that, let's also evaluate the power efficiency, which is the performance FPS divided by the power consumption. The Hailo-8 performance is 302, so it's actually 18.9 better than the Google Core TPU and 26 better than the Myra X. So to sum up in this category, if you are considering or currently adopting a Myra X or a Google GPU product, and the Hailo-8 is a perfect alternative to your application and solutions. Secondly, we will compare with the deep learning performance comparison. We have the comparisons among the Hailo-8 versus the Xavier NX and the Orin Nano 4 GB and 8 GB. And this time we will compare them within two angles. The first angle is, again, the performance, which is the FPS. The Hailo-8 performance to run ResNet 50 V1 is actually 1328 FPS. So the Xavier NX is around 1243 FPS. So in another word, Hailo-8 performance is actually 10% better than the Xavier NX. And not to mention the Orin Nano 4 GB and 8 GB, Hailo actually works better. We have the 1.4 times better performance compared to the 8 GB versions and 2.5 times better than the 4 GB versions. So this is talking about the performance. Now let's take this into account and to compare with the power efficiency. The Hailo power efficiency number is about 428. So we are in average 7 times better power efficiency if you compare with the Xavier NX or Orin Nano platform. Now, we know that you're not gonna only focus on evaluating one specific model, which is ResNet 50 V1 that I've mentioned in the previous slides. Hailo actually publish all the supported model and its performance on our website and our Hailo GitHub websites. Here is just some of the sample to show you that Hailo disclose most detailed information regarding to the model that we support, and second, what's the performance when we operating those model on one single Hailo-8 processor, and what's the power consumption when operating them. So in these charts, you can easily find even when we are operating a relatively heavy model like YOLO V5M, we can get the performance of 218 FPS, and the power consumption is actually only 4.6 watts. So the number is actually very remarkable when you compare to other AI NPU or solutions in the market. Now, as the last sections, we will talk about the software highlights and the successful cases. So first of all, we have a very good and useful AI processors, but that's not enough because we are also offering you a comprehensive AI software suite. So the Hailo AI software suite functions can be divided and can be explained in two major functions. The first function is to help you convert your existing applications and model from platform A to Hailo platform. So in this stage, you will have your user models, no matter the framework, but you will have the user models. And Hailo's FAE team will help you and your customers to convert their model by using the Hailo Data Flow Compiler SDK. So in this stage, there are two major targets. First of all, we will help you convert your model from A platform to Hailo platform. Secondly, we will help you or your customer to evaluate the performance after converting your solutions to Hailo. And the right-hand side, you can see the second major functions of the Hailo AI software suite, which is the Hailo-RT, the runtime environments. So Hailo-RT is basically composed of many API, and that is supposed to connect with you or your customer applications. In this specific environments, Hailo does support the Windows and Linux-based applications. So for the Windows OS, Hailo supports the Win 10 and Win 11. And for the Linux, we support the Ubuntu OS. So this is, again, another flexibility that we are showing to adopt the Hailo solution, because we can work either in an Windows-based application or a Linux-based applications. So in the end, this is my last slide, the successful case study. I would like to share the last case study where we have in the United States. So the ISV is actually developing an AI automated parking enforcement. So the customers was adopting the NVIDIA SOM series system. However, the system doesn't work really well when the environment's temperatures comes to relatively high or low. The system becomes very unstable. And that's why the ISV come to us and asking for the alternative. So after we help them convert their model and to run on Hailo-8, we show them the three major benefits of changing the platform. So first is about the cost. So after convert their solution to Hailo platform, they can easily find the Hailo-8 processor actually help them to save up to 75% of the costs. So this is one major benefit that the customer can take. Secondly, is about the low power consumption. The Hailo-8 processor actually only consume 1/8 of the power consumption compared to their previous platform. So this is also another very impressive number. When running within a same performance, we only need 1/8 of the power consumption. And the third, of course, the last one is about easy to use. So as I mentioned in the previous slides, Hailo FAE team and the local team will support and help the customers to convert their models to the Hailo platform. And we will also help them to evaluate the performance after the conversion. So this will definitely help you or your customers' RD resource and time on evaluating the platform. So based on the three major benefits, the customers in the end decides to change the original NVIDIA SOM platform to the Hailo-based systems. This is the end of my speech, and if you have any AI related questions or projects, please feel free to visit Hailo's website at hailo.ai or to write a mail to the contact@hailo.ai. Thank you for listening.